What is up, guys? Today we are finally installing all the accessories on my Mazda Speed, as well as we are relocating my alternator. Now you got to relocate your alternator so that you can delete it from there and have a whole bunch of extra space. As you can see, I've got a lot of extra space right there where the old alternator goes. But I hope you guys like this video of me installing all of the accessories. In the next video, I'm gonna show you how to install injector seals. And then after that, we will finally put my Mazda Speed engine back into the car. All right, guys, as you can see, we have most of the engine and transmission together. Now it's time to put the accessories on. So the alternator, water pump, all those type of things. All right, guys, this is what the water pump looks like. There's only one spot for it to go. There also is a little rubber gasket or like O-ring right here, so make sure you have that on. And then you're gonna have to apparently kind of push it in and then bolt it up. All right, guys, so we have the water pump on right there. Now we gotta put on this power steering pump.
This one?
Yep. All right, guys, now we are putting on this little pulley that goes on this water pump. So that. All right, guys, now the pulley is installed on the water pump. All right, guys, so this is the tensioner. This is what it looks like. It's pretty simple, but it's going to go on this side, right there. 1 volt, 2 volts. All right, guys, so this is the Mazda 5 alternator. Now I'm running this alternator because it's a relocation from the stock alternator. This way I could delete my AC. So this is my new alternator. It's going to go right down here on the engine. Yeah, that's perfect. So it goes in just like that. Let's see if I can get a bolt or two in there. All right, guys, so this is what it looks like with the accessories on. As you can see, we have everything bolted down. Now we got to put the belt on, but it's finally looking like a full engine. I'm pretty excited. This is insane. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I didn't install the belt because I'm probably gonna install the belt when the motor is in the car, but everything looks pretty solid. The next video, I'll install those injector seals and we'll get this engine in ASAP. But be sure to like this video and I'll catch you guys next time.